Welcome to Villa 49 at Constance Halaveli in the Maldives. Come in, let's have a look at the villa. Come on in to the vestibule. Shoes off. Walk into the bedroom. This is the bedroom. The bathroom is behind us. We'll look at that in a minute. It's a beautifully large space. Big king-size bed, very, very comfortable. Large seating area, also good for entertaining. We have the TV, the minibar, and most importantly, we have a stunning view out onto our decking and out to the sea. And when we come into the shot, this is a south-facing villa. The best snorkeling on the island is out there, and we get sun almost all day on the terrace here. We'll look at some details in a minute, but let's go and have a look at the bathroom. The generous bathroom has space for full-size bath, looking straight out over the sea. We have a separate toilet and shower and 2 sinks, one for each of us. One of the great things about this bathroom is that we have 2 full-size walk-in wardrobes. I think mine is the tidier, so we'll go and have a look at this. Plenty of space to hang the shirts, all the luggage and the shoes. There are more shelves in here and the safe and 2 mirrors. Plenty of space here for storage, for getting ready and for enjoying the villa. Let's go and have a look at the terrace. So we have a south-facing terrace. The best snorkeling is over there. We have 2 lounges. The cushions are away at the moment. We've got our own pool, looked after by the expert poolman Jay. And we also have an eating, seating area over in this side. So plenty of space to hide away and just enjoy the location. But the best thing about this decking is the access to the sea. Let's go downstairs. Entry. Here, our very own access to the sea. We'll be going in there shortly for our daily dose of snorkeling. Quick look at the room in more detail. We've got beautifully comfortable king-size bed. We have our very own elephant, quite literally the elephant in the room. The usual charging spots, nice bit of reading material here, and a large entertaining space. There is TV with an Apple TV, so we have access to international television stations and the options to stream from our mobile devices. A generous minibar, if I can get that open, which, if you are all-inclusive, is mostly inclusive. We also have tea and coffee making facilities, plenty of tea bags, fabulous sinks, plenty of space for both of us, and of course the view. The water's down there, but we do have these privacy screens, meaning that every villa is private, is secluded. That's an odd look. Lovely walk-in shower, monsoon head. The toiletries are provided and they're refillable, so that's good for the environment. And a view out to sea, with privacy of course.